Hello there and welcome. I am very glad to have you here and excited to know that you are interested in learning chess, which is an amazing game people have played for thousands of years. So one thing I can promise is that you are going to have a lot of fun. So what is chess? Chess is a game that is played on a board like this. Have you seen this board before? Look, it only has light and dark squares, or sometimes white and black squares. So this is a dark square, and this is a light square. Now let's count the squares in one line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now what about this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 squares both ways. And how many in total? 64. You have to find a chessboard and count all the squares after this class. Deal? Okay, so next question. How is chess played? So look, chess has 2 teams. Here's the white team, and here is the dark team. And you are the captain of one of the teams because you control how all of your pieces move. The team that you see at the bottom is going to be your team. And the team you see at the top is going to be the other player or your opponent. Got it, Captain? Now, the goal of your team is to capture the other team's king, this one, which is the most important piece in chess. And the other team's goal is to capture your king. We will learn about how to capture, but whoever captures the king first wins. Easy peasy? Except that there are a few rules, which make chess fun. Now look, your team has so many pieces or helpers to help you capture the other team's king. And each piece moves and captures other team's pieces in a different way, which we will learn about in the next few videos, starting with this piece in the corner, called the rook. So, ready to learn about the rook?